Hi everyone, and welcome to another video on using some of the great resources that the library has to help you with your homework. So we're going to start here at the home page of the library, and under research you'll find a choice called homework tools. And today we're going to look at one on creating citations. And so if you're writing a paper for English, or if you're taking an AP psychology class and have to do a paper, you're going to have to cite your sources in a proper way. And so we're going to look at one called Citation Examples from OSU Libraries. So if you just click on Visit, you'll see that you have a number of choices. So you'll notice the first one on the list is APA Style Guide. That's the American Psychological Association. So if you're taking a psychology class, for example, this would be the style that you use. The other ones that are included here are Chicago, Council of Science Editors, MLA, and the final one is the Terabinn Style Guide. Now, the one that you're most likely to use if you're in high school and probably even middle school is the MLA Style Guide, which is the style guide that would be used, for example, in an English class in a paper. So we're going to really quickly go over this so you can understand how to use it. So you notice here that it's divided into 4 sections: MLA articles, MLA books, MLA electronic resources, and MLA other resources. In each of these sections, it will give you examples of how to cite a particular source, both in your reference section and in the text. And so anything that appears in the text that you want to cite, you would use this parenthetical example. So for example, this one is a journal article, and it gives you the author and it gives you the page on which the information that you're citing appears. And so what you want to do is go and find what you're trying to cite. So you may look for an encyclopedia article, a review, and when you find the one that you want, you just take that information and duplicate the way that you see it in these particular examples, both in your text and in the works cited at the end. And so in addition to articles, of course, you can cite books, and depending on the number of authors that you have, or an anthology if you're citing from that. Again, there's lots of examples here that you can utilize. Electronic resources, so if you find something from a website, you can find out how to cite those particular sources in this section. And then finally, in other resources, it gives you things like a TV show or a sound recording, and so you can cite that as well. So that's a basic overview. All the sections in here from APA on have examples like this. So this is a great resource for you to use in the future when you're working on your papers.